All right, let's talk about upgrading your digital security. And I mean right now. In just the next few minutes, we're going to tackle one of the biggest risks to your online life. And the fix? Yeah, you can probably get it done before this explainer is even finished. So let's just jump right in.
So let me ask you something. Think about all those passwords you've got floating around. Do you ever get that little feeling in the back of your mind, like, is this really enough?
Yeah, that nagging feeling, you're not wrong. Honestly, these days, a password by itself is kind of like having just a screen door on your house. It looks like a door, but it's not going to stop anyone who really wants in. It's time we add a real shield.
So why is this shield so important? Well, first we got to talk about the real problem with passwords in the first place.
Okay, so there are two main ways the bad guys get in. You've got your massive password leaks, the ones you always hear about on the news where some big company gets hacked. Then there's phishing, which is way sneakier. That's when they trick you into just handing over your password. Either way, the end result is exactly the same. Your personal stuff is out there for the taking, and all because one little password was the only thing standing guard.
But hey, it's not all doom and gloom. This is where things get a whole lot better. Let's talk about the solution. It's that digital shield we mentioned, two-factor authentication, or as you'll usually see it, 2FA. So what is it, really? It's pretty simple. 2FA is just an extra layer of security. It means that even if a hacker gets your password, and I mean they have it, it's correct, they still can't get in. Why? Because they're missing that second piece of the puzzle, that second factor. That could be a code sent to your phone, a quick tap on an app, something only you have.
Here's the best way to picture it. A password alone, that's like the standard little lock on your front door. It's fine. But turning on 2FA, that's like adding a big, heavy-duty deadbolt. Suddenly, breaking into your digital house just got way, way harder.
Okay, that's enough of the what and why. Let's get to the how. It's time to actually do this. We're going to walk through the steps, and we'll kick things off with all you Android users out there.
I'm not kidding, this is super simple. Just grab your phone, go into settings, find your Google account, and tap on security. You'll see an option for two-step verification. Hit get started and just follow the instructions on the screen. Seriously, the whole thing takes, maybe 2 minutes? Tops. Okay, iPhone people, you're up. And don't worry, securing your Apple ID is just as fast and painless.
All right, let's do this. Pop open your settings and tap your name right there at the top. Then head into Sign In and Security. You'll see two-factor authentication, plain as day. Just tap to turn it on, follow the quick prompts, and boom, you're done.
And just like that, seriously, with just a few taps, you've done it. And this isn't some tiny little settings change. You've just given your entire digital life a massive security upgrade.
It really all boils down to this one simple thing. You just added one extra layer of security, and in doing so, you've put up this huge wall against anyone trying to get in. It is truly one of the most powerful things you can do to protect yourself online, and it literally takes a minute.
So really, there's only one question left. You see how easy this is, you know how important it is. Are you ready for your security upgrade? Don't wait. Go turn it on for your accounts right now.